Okay. Hello students, how are you? In the previous lecture we have started 1.4 Revati's musical plants. Okay. We are on page number 17 and we have completed first paragraph, but we will revise it. Okay. So see on page number 17, paragraph first. Revati was a student of music. She was happy playing on her violin whenever she was free. There was a small open courtyard. Courtyard is an open ground in front of her house with a small cement bench. Okay, next. She would sit on the bench and practice on her violin. Then there were a few potted plants in the courtyard. While playing on the violin one day, she noted a pot of balsam plants near the wall. Balsam plants threw away carelessly. The plants which were thrown away carelessly, those plants are called balsam plants or balsam plants near the wall. The plants were not looking normal. They had pale green leaves and their growth was stunted. The growth of the plants was stunted. Stunted means slowed down or stopped. The growth of plant was stopped. She remembered she had learned in the lower classes that plants need light for normal growth. She shifted the pot to the center of the courtyard where there was ample sunlight, enough sunlight. Okay, so रेवती ने वो जो प्लांट्स उनकी ग्रोथ स्टॉप हो गई थी, उन प्लांट्स को कोर्टयार्ड के सेंटर में शिफ्ट किया, उनको मूव किया ताकि उनको एम्पल सनलाइट मिले, इनफ सनलाइट मिले, क्योंकि इन द सेंटर ऑफ द कोर्टयार्ड देयर वाज एम्पल सनलाइट एंड सो शी शिफ्टेड दोज बाल्सम प्लांट्स इन द सेंटर ऑफ द कोर्टयार्ड. ये पहले पैराग्राफ में दिया था. अब सेकंड पैराग्राफ. While shifting the pot, an idea struck Revati. When Revati was shifting the pot, she got an idea. She struck an idea. Why not participate in the best plant contest, which was to be held in her colony a few weeks later? That this was the idea. Means she decided that she should participate in the best plant contest. Okay, and that was to be held in her colony. The contest was to be held in her colony a few weeks later. After a few weeks वो कंपटीशन होने वाली थी, बेस्ट प्लांट कंपटीशन. तो उसने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करूं, क्योंकि मुझे प्लांट्स के बारे में पता है, मैं जानती हूं, एक्सेट्रा. Then and there she decided to participate in the contest. Thus, making up her mind, she watered the plants and sat down on the bench and started playing on her violin. So she made up her mind. She decided. She made a strong determination and she gave water to her plants and she sat down on the bench and she started playing her violin. So मन ही मन उसने निश्चय कर लिया और वो अपना वायलिन बजाने लगी. She was very fond of the raga Mohanam. Okay, वो जो मोहनम नाम का राग था वो उसे बहुत पसंद था. She liked very much the raga Mohanam. She played the raga for some time and then went in for her studies. She went in her room for studies after playing her favorite raga Mohanam. Okay, second paragraph is over. Third paragraph. Every day, Revati would sit on the bench and watch her potted plants. So every day, Revati used to watch her plants. Revati would watch her plants. हर दिन वो अपने प्लांट्स को, वो जो बाल्सम प्लांट्स थे, उस बाल्सम प्लांट्स को वो वॉच करती थी, ऑब्जर्व करती थी, पॉटेड प्लांट्स को. They were growing well and looking healthier than the other plants in the far end of the courtyard. Those balsam plants, they were growing well. बहुत अच्छी तरह से वो grow हो रहे थे and they were looking healthier. They were looking healthier than other plants. दूसरे प्लांट्स से ज्यादा वो हेल्दियर दिख रहे थे, जो बाल्सम प्लांट्स थे जिसको रेवती ने सेंटर ऑफ द कोर्टयार्ड शिफ्ट किया था, those plants were looking very healthy than other plants in the far end of the courtyard. Next line. One day as she was playing, she noticed a movement in the potted plants. एक दिन जब वो खेल रही थी तो उसने potted plants में एक movement देखा. Plants were moving. There was a movement in her potted plants. They were slowly moving their stems, bending slightly towards her. The plants were moving their stems. Stem आपको पता है, delicate उसका जो bark होता है, that is trunk होता है, उसे हम stem कहते हैं. So the plants were slowly moving their stems and they were bending slightly towards Revati. रेवती की तरफ वो bend हो रहे थोड़े से, जिसे हम झुकना बोलते हैं, वो झुक रहे थे. She wondered why they were moving as there was no breeze. At that time there was no breeze, there was no air, and still the plants were moving. Okay, so she wondered, she was surprised why the plants were moving when there was no air. It struck as her odd. It struck her as odd. Struck her as odd उसका मीनिंग दिया है. Struck her as odd means to seem very strange. Means that was very strange for Revati. It seemed strange for Revati that the plants were moving when there was no air. हवा भी नहीं चल रही थी, लेकिन प्लांट्स कैसे मूव हो रहे थे, उनका मूवमेंट कैसे हो रहा था, वो कैसे हिल-डुल रहे थे, उसको पता नहीं चल रहा था. और ये जो चीज थी उसके लिए बहुत सरप्राइजिंग थी. ओके, इन दिस वे थर्ड paragraph is also completed. Fourth paragraph. The next evening too, she played on her violin as usual and watched the potted plants with care. So in the next evening, she played on her violin. उसने violin बजाया और as usual plants का observation भी किया. She watched the potted plants with care. She observed those plants carefully the next day evening. Next line. After some time, like the previous day, there was a definite movement in her plants. So when she observed carefully, she found that after some time, like the previous day, there was a definite movement of plants. मतलब पिछले दिन की तरह या कल के दिन की तरह प्लांट्स में एक डेफिनेट मूवमेंट हो रही थी. उसने ऑब्जर्व किया, रेवती ने ऑब्जर्व किया कि वायलिन बजाने के बाद प्लांट्स में मूवमेंट हो रही थी. दे ऑल बेंट टुवर्ड्स हर. बेंड का पास्ट टेंस है बेंट. ऑल प्लांट्स बेंट टुवर्ड्स रेवती. दिस एस्टोनिश्ड एंड सरप्राइज्ड हर. ये जो बेंडिंग का मूवमेंट था, इस बेंडिंग के मूवमेंट ने रेवती को सरप्राइज किया, एस्टोनिश किया कि हाउ द प्लांट्स कैन मूव, हाउ द प्लांट्स कैन बेंड टुवर्ड हर. That day also there was no breeze. और सरप्राइजिंग करने वाली बात ये थी कि उस टाइम भी वहां कोई भी हवा, मतलब हवा नहीं चल रही थी या ब्रीज नहीं था. There was no air, there was no breeze of air. Okay, in this way fourth paragraph is completed. Next paragraph on page number 17. Revati sat on the bench and played a different tune, one with a quick rhythm. So Revati tried डिफरेंट ट्यून, डिफरेंट रिदम, एक अलग प्रकार का ट्यून, मतलब उसको राग कहते हैं. एक अलग प्रकार का रागा, एक अलग प्रकार का ट्यून उसने वायलिन पे बजाया विथ अ क्विक रिदम. दैट न्यू ट्यून हैड अ क्विक रिदम. शी सडनली सॉ ऑल प्लांट्स टर्न अवे फ्रॉम हर एज दो दे डिड नॉट लाइक व्हाट शी वाज प्लेइंग. और जैसे ही क्विक रिदम वाला ट्यून उसने बजाया, वैसे ही प्लांट्स ने मूवमेंट किया, प्लांट्स टर्न हो गए, प्लांट्स टर्न अवे. वो कैसे टर्न हो गए? जैसे कि उनको ये जो राग था, ये जो न्यू रिदम वाला ट्यून था, वो ट्यून पसंद नहीं आया. इस फीलिंग से वो मूव हो गए. द प्लांट्स मूव्ड फ्रॉम हर एज दो दे डिड नॉट लाइक दैट न्यू ट्यून दैट शी वाज प्लेइंग. ओके, पेज नंबर 17 हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया. पेज नंबर 18 पे देखिए, सी ऑन पेज नंबर 18. Then she started playing her favorite tune again, and the plants slowly straightened themselves and bent towards her. उसके बाद उसने फिर से उसकी जो फेवरेट ट्यून थी, कौन सी थी? मोहनम. हाँ, राइट. So she started playing her favorite tune, her favorite raga, Mohanam again, and the plants slowly straightened. They became straight themselves and bent towards her. Means now they gave positive response. Now the plants gave positive response to Revati after playing Mohanam raga, Mohanam tune, her favorite tune. Her surmise became a certainty. Surmise. What is the meaning of surmise? Surmise is suppose something is true. Suppose something is true. तो वो जो उसका एक मतलब अंदाज था कि ये ट्यून बजाने पर प्लांट्स मूव करते हैं और ये ट्यून बजाने पर प्लांट्स मूव नहीं करते. ये जो उसका सरमाइज था, उसका जो गेस था, वो गेस सर्टेनिटी में बदल गया. हर गेस बिकेम सर्टेनिटी. ओके. हर प्लांट्स लव टू हियर हर फेवरेट ट्यून. और फैक्ट क्या थी कि वो जो प्लांट्स थे, उस प्लांट्स को उसकी जो फेवरेट ट्यून थी मोहनम, वो मोहनम रागा, वो मोहनम ट्यून प्लांट्स को भी बहुत पसंद आती थी. सो हर फेवरेट ट्यून मोहनम was very much liked by her plants also. Okay, next paragraph. She kept the knowledge a secret. ये नॉलेज को उसने सीक्रेट रखा, किसी को बताया नहीं. She did not tell anyone, not even her mother. मदर को भी नहीं बताया. There were only a few days left for the prize distribution. She had participated in the best plant contest, and after participating, there were few days left for prize distribution. Prize distribution के लिए कुछ दिन मतलब बाकी थे. To her great surprise, Revati found her potted plants not only taller and healthier than other balsam plants, but that they had started flowering a few days earlier than the other plants. She was very much surprised. To her great surprise, Revati found what she found. She found her potted plants. Okay, balsam potted plants not only taller and shorter, taller and healthier. Her plants were taller and healthier than other balsam plants, other potted plants. Okay, but also they had started flowering. उनको फूल आना शुरू हो गए थे अदर प्लांट्स के बहुत ही पहले. मतलब अदर प्लांट्स ने अब तक फ्लावरिंग स्टार्ट नहीं किया था, उससे कई समय पहले वो जो उसके प्लांट्स थे, वो प्लांट्स ने फ्लावरिंग स्टार्ट किया. मींस दे स्टार्टेड टू प्रोड्यूस, टू मेक फ्लावर्स a few days earlier than other plants. दूसरे प्लांट्स से बहुत समय पहले ये जो प्लांट्स थे, बैल्जम प्लांट्स या पॉटेड प्लांट्स ने प्लांट्स पे फूल आना शुरू हो गया. The flowers were big and brightly colored, and one of the plants had an unusual kind of flowers. The flowers were so big and bright, okay, on those balsam plants, and one of the plant had unusual means uncommon kind of flower on those plants. The flowers were mauve with white stripes. Mauve, M-A-U-V-E, meaning दिया है बाजू में. mauve means of a pale purple color. मतलब उस पे जो फ्लावर्स आए थे, वो फ्लावर्स पेल पर्पल कलर के थे. पेल मतलब नॉट वेरी ब्राइट. ओके, द फ्लावर्स वेयर नॉट वेरी ब्राइट बट अ पेल पर्पल कलर फ्लावर्स विथ व्हाइट स्ट्राइप्स. उस फूल्स के ऊपर व्हाइट स्ट्राइप भी थे. तो पेज नंबर 18 पे हमारा सेकेंड पैराग्राफ चल रहा है, जहां हमारी लाइन है द व्हाइट फ्लावर्स माउ विथ द व्हाइट स्ट्राइप्स. तो यहाँ हम रुकते हैं और आगे का जो पार्ट है वो अगले लेक्चर में देखेंगे. थैंक यू.